Namaste, Khushro Bitia. My name is JVN Sachin Pratap Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Program B.Ed second semester, course Theatre Arts in Education, Session Indian Society. Indian Society. What do you understand by SWOT analysis? SWOT. SWOT stand for strength, S बोले तो strength, W weakness, O opportunities, T threats. And so the SWOT analysis is a technique for assessing their accept strength of caste system, harmonious division of society. Caste system is work as a constitution of Hindu society. The constitution of caste comprise certain section and provision about marriage. Such law, according to Hebel, were law of spiritual engines designed to promote to the evolution of a higher race. Political caste system divide to whole society into unbearable subdivision and to unite them politically has become impossible. Even after independence, we find that the caste elements are very active in your society. जैसे इंडिया आज़ाद हुआ था उसके बाद जो कास्ट सिस्टम है वो इंडिया में बहुत ज़्यादा देखने को मिला और आज के समय में इंडिया में कास्ट सिस्टम बहुत ज़्यादा चलन में है. दे स्टैंड इन द वे द सोशल वेलफेयर. Untouchability. Caste system was the cause of degradation of a large portion of population of the Hindus. Okay. Nepotism of upper caste. यहाँ पे अपर कास्ट को ज़्यादा माना जाता है, अपर कास्ट को ऊंचा माना जाता है. रिलीजियस कन्वर्सन, लोअर स्टेटस ऑफ वुमेन, Danish mobility of the labor, opportunities of caste system. The caste system has rendered most important service in the past and still continues of sustained order of solidarity. Caste system has been a fundamental source of social stability. Caste system has provided a defined professional career to each individual. Threats of caste system. Caste related the violence has occurred in India various form. It is characteristic determined by one both birth into a particular caste of the faith practiced by the individual. Caste denotes a traditional system of rigid social stratification into ranked groups defined by descent and occupation. Caste division in India dominate in housing, marriage, employment, and general social interaction division that the reinforced through the practice and threat of social ostracism, economic boycotts, and physical violence. Thank you.